How to manage irregular freelance income with AI tools. Are you a freelancer tired of unpredictable income? One month, your paycheck feels like a jackpot. The next, you're scrambling to pay bills. What if I told you AI tools could turn that chaos into calm? In this video, I'm revealing how AI-powered budgeting apps can help freelancers like you take control of irregular income. No spreadsheets, no guesswork, just smart money management. Freelance income doesn't follow a paycheck schedule. It's wild. Traditional budgeting methods don't cut it here. Spreadsheets and manual tracking take time and are prone to error. You need a smarter, automated solution. And that's where AI budgeting apps come in. These apps don't just track your income and expenses. They learn your income patterns, analyze your spending habits, and predict your cash flow weeks or even months in advance. Imagine getting personalized advice on when to save, when to spend, when to hold back, all tailored to your freelance income cycle. One app I highly recommend is YNAB. It securely connects to your bank accounts, tracks every transaction, and sets smart limits based on your unique income flow. It alerts you before your funds run low, helps you plan for upcoming bills, even reminds you to set aside money for taxes and savings. Getting started is simple. Download the app, link your accounts securely, set your financial goals, bills, savings, taxes, and let AI do the heavy lifting. No more surprises, no more panic, just clear, actionable guidance to keep your finances stable. Freelancers who use AI budgeting tools report feeling more confident, less stressed, and in control of their money. They avoid late fees, build savings faster, and even find extra cash by cutting unnecessary expenses automatically. If you want to stop stressing over your freelance paychecks and start controlling your cash flow, this tool is a game changer. Hit the link in the description to check it out, and subscribe for more smart money tips designed specifically for freelancers and remote workers. Managing irregular income is tough, but with AI, it doesn't have to be. You've got this. Take control of your finances and turn your freelance hustle into steady success.